Hi Leos, welcome back. This is your special tarot reading for the next 24 hours for your money situation, your relationship. So Leos, those of you who are new here, a warm welcome to all of you guys. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like, subscribe to the channel. And my lovely Leos, before we start, we are going to meditate for a few seconds. So join me guys while we meditate. So Leos, we are picking cards for your situation, for your career and relationships separately. So the first cards we are picking are for your work situation, and the next cards are for your relationship. So these are for your career circumstances, and these cards are for your relationship. And Leos, today we are picking more cards from this deck. So this is a special tarot deck guys. It will give us clarity for our situation. So these are for your career and these for your relationship. So Leos, let's start here. We have man and we have bouquet. So for your work situation, you are someone truly determined and focused. You are giving the best, you are working hard, and you may have people who are appreciating your efforts, who are aware or who are watching you go about your situation. So maybe some of you are working, you are expecting a promotion, or you are expecting some opportunities to close a business deal, or something is coming in, some changes, you're waiting for those changes, or you're waiting for a news, and maybe your work will be appreciated or noticed. You're going to have people appreciating your efforts. And Leos, you are someone really confident and you are a very skilled person. So your skills and talents are noticed today, and some of you are getting promoted, or you are going to see a news or a positive progress, something that is the reason for celebration here. So Leos, you are on the path towards success, prosperous changes, and you are someone who is really persistent in your efforts. You are determined. You are determined to make something happen. So you're not someone who gives up so easily. So you're working hard. You are giving your best today, Leos, and that is the reason you're going to get the best today. So I have to really congratulate you guys, because some of you have been striving hard in your situation. You did not see changes, but from now onwards things are going to be different. Your efforts, your skills are noticed, and very soon you will be rewarded for all your efforts. And we have Six of Swords in reverse. You have Knight of Pentacles and you have Three of Cups. So in your situation, some kind of opportunities, some offers are coming in. And Knight of Pentacles, you can see that something is being offered, and maybe you are a little, you are thinking a little whether this will work for you, or you need to think about this. And the Six of Swords in reverse, again it's a sign that some opportunities are coming in, a proposal, a business proposal, or a financial deal, something taking you towards the next step. and maybe you are thinking about this, whether is this the one you want, is this the opportunity you want, or is this the one that is going to take you towards your future. And this Three of Cups, a sign that something wonderful is waiting. So you are going to enjoy the results very soon, the results or your efforts very soon. So Leos, whatever you are working on, maybe you are moving along in a very careful way. Each and every step you're considering, each and every step, and you're moving forward with careful calculation. And this Three of Cups, a sign that your efforts will be crowned with success. So very soon something is changing in a beautiful way, a big turn of events, something that you're going to celebrate. So congratulations guys, Leos, this is a big news or something wonderful happening in your situation, in your life today. And we are seeing the cards for your relationship. So you have Heart and you have Mountain. So the first thing that comes to my mind is you're heavy hearted about something, Leos. Something is really heavy on your mind. You don't know how to change this, or you don't know what is the next step, a lot of confusion. So you love this person, you are in this connection, but there are some things that you wish to change. There are some struggles you're facing in this love, in your situation. So Leos, this Mountain is a sign of some challenges, and also this Mountain is a sign of strength. So you need to be strong. If you love this person, if you truly love them, if this love is what you want for yourself, maybe you need to be really strong, really focused. Try to do the right thing here, and there may be things you wish to change, or there may be things you wish were different between you and this person, but something that is heavy on your mind, something that you cannot change, or maybe it has already happened, a situation that has unfolded that you cannot do anything about today in your present. So Leos, this is a situation which needs you to first balance yourself. So this heaviness, it must leave you if you want to do something about this love. So some of you are really heartbroken about something that has happened or that is happening, but you love this person, you don't know what to do. So it can be a relationship, or it can be about a friendship. Someone you are really close to, or it can be a sibling or a child here. Someone whom you are really worried about, Leos. And you have 10 of Cups, you have 4 of Pentacles, and you have Ace of Pentacles. So maybe someone is reaching out a helping hand towards you, or someone is trying to bring solace to you. So you are really heartbroken about something, crying about something, but there are some changes here, or there are some opportunities for a change here in your situation. And something is really happening in your relationship. So you can see the eyes of reluctance here and here. So there is some hesitation. So you are deeply worried about this person, about this love. You're not ready to move. But you have 10 of cups. So things are better today in this connection with this person. It can be a friendship. Maybe it is not a person you love. It can be about a friend, or it can be about a family member, a child or a sibling. So some troubles or situation you have faced that is really on your mind, fresh on your mind. You are still crying, you are still heartbroken. Something is really wrong the way you feel, but the reality is situation has got better and things are in a better shape. So with Ace of Pentacles, it's definitely a sign that things are a bit better today in your present. And if you are ready to balance yourself, forget all the past or whatever your situation was, that's the reason you're crying today. This 10 of Cups, a sign that you will find what fills your heart. You will find a way or path, and something is completing. There is a completion. So you have really seen a completion of a very difficult and challenging situation, but you have all that pain and sadness that you are carrying in your heart even till today. So Leo, some of you are still heartbroken and crying over something that has happened. Maybe time to move on, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Thank you all for your love and support. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.